Yeah, Craig, there are disagreements over just about every aspect of Brooke Schuyler Richardson's pregnancy and the birth of her daughter known as Annabelle. For hours today, jurors have heard from a defense OBGYN who says it is clear that child was stillborn. And they heard the prosecution try for hours to discredit him. Won't surprise you that there is conflicting testimony.
You have no data from this case to make your diagnosis of intrauterine growth restriction, do you, doctor?
If your assumptions are correct.
Cincinnati-based Dr. John White says he's convinced, based on all the records he's looked at, that Brooke Schuyler Richardson's baby was stillborn.
And if you have no measurement of this baby because it was done with Dr. Andrews' hand, you have no idea if there's any leg in this baby's growth, do you?
Other than the other risk factors, but it's less, I would be less sure of it.
Okay.
He's a defense witness and disagrees with nearly everything the prosecution's doctors have testified to, including this that prosecutors say show the baby was born alive.
What kind of noise?
Maybe a little noise. It grew.
I did not think that that was consistent with anything I've ever seen in 30 years where a baby gurgles upon its birth.
For all the science and fact Tuesday, there was also emotion.
She was Daddy's little girl.
As Richardson's father, Scott, took the stand in a surprising moment.
What's the biggest regret in your life, Scott?
Not having an attorney for the second interrogation.
What, if you could tell the jury one thing about Schuyler before you get off the stand, what would it be?
She would never hurt another living being, let alone a baby.
Yeah, her dad getting emotional there. Brooke Schuyler Richardson is charged with aggravated murder, involuntary manslaughter, abuse of a corpse, and endangering children. Jurors had a long day here. They just went home in the last half hour after hearing from two late witnesses after that doctor, a coworker and friend of Richardson's, and an expert on false confessions and police interrogation. You can read more about that right now on WCPO.com. We're live in Lebanon tonight. I'm Evan Millward, 9 on your side.